Okay, so I'm just about to give you a real quick tutorial on how I inject Wegovy, right? This is 2.4 milligrams. And the reason why I thought this was important because I had to figure out how to inject this, right? So here's how you open it, of course. The needle is inside here, right? But here's the thing. I have a problem with pushing something into my skin. It's giving the feel of stab. I am the type that has to take Xanax just to take a needle. So imagine how tough this can be for me. What I do though is I put my fingernail, my thumbnail right here on this gray part, and then I press it up against my stomach, and I push in as far as I can, making sure I'm still pressing in at the same time, right? And then that way the needle injects. Trust me, I know it's more painful than doing it the regular way. But for my mind, I have to do it this way. I don't know. So let me show you. All right, so I go like right here, and then I take this in. You see me holding on to it because I'm gonna put it on my stomach right here, and I'm gonna push in at the same time. And then I hear a click. You heard the click too. Now I hear a click again, so that means I can safely pull it away, right? So I pulled it away, the needle's out. I really didn't feel nothing because I've been doing it like this for a minute, but it went in. There's no wetness or nothing like that. I don't know how you inject it, but I can't do this. It ain't gonna go back in. I can't push my skin in as if I'm stabbing myself. I can't do that. But as you can see, the yellow is there. That means all the medicine is gone. I should have showed you what it looked like at first. It was clear. I do like this to make sure it's not frozen, to make sure I see that bubble first. But it was injected. And then, like I said, my stomach's not wet, so I got it in, right? But yeah, this is the easiest way for me. If you do it a different way, I'm curious to know. I mean, if you do it the regular way, don't be a jackass and try to be like, oh, I'll just do it the regular way. If you do something different, let me know, because I'm telling y'all, I was trying to figure out how I'm gonna inject myself with this for so long. I was like, I'm gonna get a cardboard piece of paper or a cardboard thing and like cut a hole through it and push it in with the cardboard. But I was like, it's still the concept of me stabbing myself. So putting my thumb here helped me to inject. I hope this helps because Lord knows I can't take Xanax every day just to take this shot. I mean, every week. Like, Xanax knocks me out. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm done for the whole day. So, yes, I hope this helps you guys. Let me know in the comments, like I said, how you do it because I'm curious. Am I the only weirdo that does it like this?